I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Canva animations. First, open Canva and either select a pre-made template or start with a blank design. Look for the Animate tab at the top of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a variety of animation options. You can choose from many styles to bring your static designs to life, making them engaging and dynamic for your audience. Now, let's dive into animating specific parts of your design. You can apply different animation effects to individual elements like text, images, or graphics. For a cohesive look, use page animations to transition smoothly between multiple slides in your presentation. Remember, you have precise control over the timing and direction of each effect, allowing for truly customized motion. To truly make your animations stand out, customize them further. You can easily control the speed and intensity of any chosen effect, making it subtle or dramatic. Consider adding sound effects or background music to complement your visuals and create a more immersive experience. Canva also offers Magic Animate for effortlessly applying professional-looking transitions across your entire design with just one click. Finally, once your animated design is perfect, it's time to export it. You can download your creation as an MP4 video file, which is ideal for sharing across many platforms. Canva also allows direct sharing to social media. Make sure to select the appropriate resolution, like 1080 pixels, to ensure your animation looks crisp and professional wherever it's viewed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.